What's something people don't know about Blender? It's packed with features that can skyrocket your 3D modeling game. Let's uncover the top 5. Feature number 1, modifiers. Modifiers are like magic tools that transform your model without permanently changing it. Think of them as Photoshop layers for 3D objects. Next up, we have the knife tool. This nifty tool lets you slice and dice your mesh with precision. Perfect for those intricate details. Third on our list is the sculpting mode. This is where you can unleash your creativity and shape your model like digital clay. Smooth, pinch, and grab your way to perfection. Feature number 4, UV unwrapping. It's essential for texturing your model. Think of it as laying out a 3D puzzle piece flat, making it easier to paint. Last but not least, the grease pencil. It's not just for 2D animation, use it to sketch directly in 3D space. Great for planning and adding details, and there you have it. 5 features in Blender that'll make your 3D modeling journey smoother and more fun. Happy blending!